everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Melanie and I just do food hauls. Once a week I do a click and collect order from Asda. This week I almost didn't do it because I got ill. I'm still very unwell. Also my dog had an operation and she's not stopped crying for 2 days, so I've not slept for 2 days. So if you hear her crying in the background, it's because she keeps crying, then she'll stop, then she'll cry, then she'll stop. She's getting lots of attention, so we can't understand why she's crying. So if you do hear her crying or I don't finish the video, it's basically because of the dog. So the first thing is a substitution. We ordered the Cajun chicken mini fillets and they substituted it for Hunter's chicken, which is actually fine because it's, if the Cajun chicken isn't bought, we normally get the Hunter's chicken. It's not for me anyway, it's for the person that I live with. Then I ordered the British Aberdeen Angus lean beef mince and I got a message saying I had 2 substitutions, one being this, one being this, but it's actually here and they've substituted it with this, even though they've got this in stock, and they've not charged me for this. So I've basically ended up with that for free because I've checked the receipt and it's not on there. So I've got lots of mince now. Then a loaf of bread. Then we've got corned beef. Under it is some ham because it's 2 for £3. A pack of 2 chicken breast fillets. This week I went with the Tandoori chicken breast mini fillets and the Chinese style one because I really liked the Chinese style last week. I got some baby butter mushrooms, some Aberdeen Angus beef, and then I only ordered 1 pack of bacon, but for some reason we've ended up with 2, but I've only paid for 1 because I have checked the receipt, so I don't understand how they've done that. Then I got Bertolli Light. Bertolli Light, I had to pay full price because I'm about to run out and I need to get one, so I've got that. The Farm Stores mashed potato, the British classic mash. Then I bought this for me, and it's normally Mary's Piper, but now they've replaced it with the cheaper Maribel potatoes, which I didn't realise when I ordered it. Some tender stem broccoli tips, a bag of organic carrots, the Asda Price garlic bread, shake fries in smoked paprika, 2 cinnamon buns, Output almond no sugar, and the Asda's version, which I've not had for ages and I thought I'd try because these are £1.80 each and I've been going through about 2 a week at the moment, and this is, I think it's 95p, so I thought I would try it. Almond blend iced coffees. I've already had one. I had it as soon as it came back. The 3 for £1 on the Starbucks drinks again, and I thought I'd get these because I don't drink normal milk anyway, and I always get the caramel macchiato, which has got cow's milk in, but cow's milk just makes me feel unwell, so I just got these for a change because these also aren't always in the offer. Then I got the Actimel Immune Supporting Strawberry. They're on offer, so I got them. Sweet and sour chicken, a sweetheart cabbage, and Reese's peanut butter cups. Then I got some Panadol, the Happy Egg Coat eggs, some lemons for hot honey, lemon and ginger, a pack of medium bin liners, mini rolls, Seawood crisps, 2 cucumbers, jumbo mini, tasty minis, fresh ginger, palm olive, milk and honey hand wash, my favourite, Coleman's English mustard, John West fridge pot, Jaffa Joe nuts, 2 packs of the Wild Bird suet petals, mealworm suet pellets, Weetabix, Venus Oceana razors, Ribena. I got 3 2-litre Pepsi Max, 1 1.25 litre bottle of Evian, 7 Diet Coke 1.25. Here I've got the shades, orange and cranberry 9-pack, and I got a 9-pack of coconut. If you can hear that high pitch, it's the dog. She's been crying for 2 days. No matter how much you comfort her, she still carries it on. Got 2 packs of orange lollies. I got the caramel ice cream, 1 pack of 2 packs of orange lollies, 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 1 pack of brownie. I think it's called Ultimate Brownie or something, Ben & Jerry's. I got McCain home fries. And in here, it's a corn vegetarian roast thing. I don't really know much about it. It was just on offer. And I can't really get it out because it's literally, there you go. It's a roast. I don't know anything other than that. And that is everything that I got today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but you aren't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification button to get an alert when I upload next. I'll upload in about a week's time. Have a great week and thank you for watching.